Hi, my name is Andre. Today I would like to give you a review on my rubber pavement. I had it installed about 5 years ago, and up to now I am very satisfied. It's a product that's really good for winter because it's slip resistant and the ice is easy to remove from the surface. I also had my doubts about the snow removal because I have a snowplow that comes with a big tractor and a snow blower, and it caused no damage to the surface. Everything's perfect. Here I have my motorcycle, which weighs about 600 pounds. And the stand has made no marks on the pavement. I recommend this product because I'm very satisfied, and I recommend it to everyone.